How to lose weight is a prominent topic we see on the internet these days, mainly because obesity has been a big problem with many people coming to realize the benefit of keeping fit and practicing a healthy lifestyle. There's so much wrong information out there, and you may fall victim to these crazed dieting regimes that end up doing more harm than good. You should know that most weight gain comes from consuming high-calorie foods, which make up the bulk of our everyday food and treat. Keeping fit has many benefits attached to it. With this information, researchers are coming up with less complicated ways to lose weight. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to look into ways for you to lose weight in 30 days. Weight loss can become an awful experience with different types of dieting regimen all over the internet. Are you aware that obesity has eaten deep into society and is increasing every day? According to CDC's research in 2018, the prevalence of obesity has risen from 30.5% to 42.4% between 2000 and 2018. Do you know that in the United States alone, about 32.5% of the adult and 17% of children are overweight? Research has shown that about 1 in 6 children are overweight. Obesity can also increase the chances of developing some diseases like diabetes and many heart diseases. Many health problems are associated with obesity, but the good news is people have become aware of the need to practice a healthy lifestyle, thus making them want to lose more weight and be fit. There are so many causes of obesity, with the major causes being high-calorie foods. You gain weight when you consume more energy than the body requires. This excess energy is then stored in the body in the form of fats. The more you consume high-calorie foods, the higher the percentage of the fat stored in the body. To shed this weight, you would require activities to force the body to consume these excess calories. According to Ralph Waldo Emerson's poem, "The first wealth is health." It is vital to take care of our health and find ways to improve it. Weight loss boosts cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of developing obesity-related complications. Furthermore, weight loss lowers your susceptibility to stroke and high blood pressure. Having a fit and healthy body improves your self-esteem and boosts your confidence. With so many dieting practices out there, it has become difficult to lose weight. Some diet routines are so strict and don't provide solutions to how you can deal with your cravings. All these factors have greatly discouraged people from losing weight. However, scientists have outlined some principles that will aid you in your weight loss journey and prevent you from gaining more. Interestingly, you will get a mind-blowing result if you practice these principles religiously for 30 days. Here are 9 ways to lose weight in 30 days. Processed food. Processed food has been implicated as one of the significant causes of obesity, mainly because they have been altered from their natural state and contain added chemicals that are dangerous to health when consumed in excess. Processed foods are engineered to make you consume more. Hence, they contain many added additives and artificial flavors that prevent you from losing weight when consumed. Heavily processed food has a high amount of unhealthy fats, added sugar, and sodium. While the presence of these ingredients in food enhances the taste, excess consumption leads to weight gain. Consuming heavily processed food prevents you from eating foods naturally rich in fiber and vitamins, essential for healthy living. Starting your weight loss journey should see you cutting down on this food and opt for food in its natural state. Avoid any processed food, including heavily processed meat. Supplement processed food with a freshly cooked meal. This way, you will get all the nutrients the food can provide while avoiding chemicals and additives present in this food. An excellent way to avoid processed food is to prepare your meal. This way, you're more likely to avoid canned or pre-packaged foods. Cut down the carbs. Foods rich in carbohydrates is termed energy-giving food, but over the years there has been a lot of debate whether they are actually the cause of weight gain. The reason is that most dieting programs preach against this class of food as being one of the causes of weight gain. This information has left so many people confused about carbohydrates. But here's the deal about carbs. They are energy-giving foods, and the body needs the energy to perform its daily activities. You only gain weight when there is excess energy in the body. The extra energy is converted and stored as fat by the body. Do you know that carbohydrate is divided into 3 categories? This is to tell you that not all carbs will make you gain weight. However, it is highly recommended to cut down your carb intake. According to the National Diet and Nutrition Survey in the UK, we should consume less refined carbs. Mark Sisson, the author of Primal Blueprints, said that eating more of carb makes you a carb burner. He further explained that these categories of people need a steady supply of carb for energy, making it quite difficult to access the fats stored in the body for energy. Once you cut down your carbs, the body can access the fats and convert them to energy. This is simple logic. The carbohydrate being used for fuel is no longer available, so it turns to the excess energy converted to fats, thus making you lose weight. Walk every day. You may already be aware that walking is a form of exercise. Besides, it helps you clear your mind. Research has shown that walking has many benefits associated with it. Simply walking for 30 minutes every day goes a long way to improving your health. But as simple as walking is to us, many people are not aware for its health benefit. Surprisingly, it also benefits individuals trying to lose weight. Walking for at least 1 hour will keep you fit and those fats off. According to a obesity study, 52% of those who lose weight reported to have walked for at least 60 minutes per day. There are ways you can walk without noticing it, although you are doing your body a great service. You may decide to forgo the bus or cab and walk to your walk place, or better still, take the stairs rather than the lift. It ensures that you exercise those fats out of your body. Consume whole foods. The choice of food we eat significantly impacts our weight, so it is advisable to go for whole foods. Whole foods are foods that are minimally processed or not processed at all. There are plenty of options in this category, so don't worry about your diet not having enough variety. Whole food still contains many natural nutrients required by the body, unlike processed food. Consuming whole foods eliminated added sugars, fats, and chemicals that come with processed food. This way, you get all the much-needed nutrients for your meal. Besides, most whole foods are naturally filling, making it easier to eat within a healthy calorie limit. Most times, the result of consuming whole food is weight loss. Eat lots of protein. Consuming a healthy amount of protein helps you reduce your calorie intake. They are a class of macromolecule that performs a diverse range of function in the body, including metabolism and repair of worn-out body tissues. They are the major building block of the body and assist in the proper functioning of the body. Proteins are incredible for weight loss. One, they are highly satiating, which means eating protein will keep your stomach filled for a long time, thus reducing the amount of food you consume. Secondly, protein gives you a metabolic boost, and by increasing your protein intake, you can easily increase the rate at which you burn calories per day. This phenomenon greatly impacts your weight loss journey as it reduces your cravings for unhealthy foods. However, it is preferable to choose protein sources that are nutrient-rich and low in saturated fats. Eat a fiber-rich meal. Eating food rich in fiber is one of the best ways to burn calories and fight fat. Fiber is a nutrient that is often overlooked but has many incredible benefits. Studies have shown that consuming food rich in fiber helps reduce body fats, and besides, they aid digestion and promote the overall health of the gut's bacteria. We already established that anything that can reduce appetite would crash your calorie intake. Well, consuming fiber is one way to achieve it. According to studies, fiber suppresses your appetite. Some studies have suggested that consuming fiber is more tailored towards helping you lose belly fat. Reduce the sugar. Frequent consumption of added sugar is an unhealthy habit trait. It has been linked with many diseases like diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. According to National Cancer Institute, many people consume at least 15 teaspoons of added sugar per day without even realizing it. These sugars are usually hidden in processed foods, so if you are a processed food junkie, you might be in danger. Moreover, it is difficult to identify sugar in processed food or the amount present as it goes by many names. Sugars are not without benefits. In fact, some of the benefits include giving taste, texture, and color to baked foods, a source of energy for yeast in bread, and many more. Still, you should know that natural sugar is different from processed sugar. Natural sugars are fruits, unsweetened milk, and honey. While processed sugar is processed and refined from sugar beets and canes, processed sugar is high in calories and possesses no real nutritional value. But sadly, they are the most common ingredients of processed food. Added sugar is one of the worst ingredients in our modern diet. It has no nutritional value and increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. On the other hand, natural sugars are good for your body, but should be consumed in a limited amount. The lesser sugar you consume, the healthier you are. According to the American Health Association, the maximum daily intake of sugar for a man is 9 teaspoons per day, while for a woman is 5 teaspoons per day. In simple words, if you are trying to lose weight, avoid sugar as much as possible. Replace your soft drinks with water. Read the nutritional level of processed food if it contains a high level of sugar. Avoid it and eat fruits. Drink a lot of water. Water is essential for daily living. Plus, your body is composed of 60% of water. Water has many beneficial functions for the body. It aids digestion, transportation of nutrients, and maintaining body temperature. Water also helps in weight loss. Generally, it is believed that taking a glass or two of water before and after every meal helps you satiate your hunger, reducing craving and controlling calorie intake. According to research conducted in the United States, dieters who followed this strategy lose about 5 more pounds than those who did not. Additionally, an additional study has shown that drinking about 0.5 liters of water results in 23 calories burned, and drinking cold water also increases the number of calories burned as your body has to work harder to warm water, ultimately leading to weight loss. Regular exercising. Regular exercising keeps the body fit and healthy. You already know that exercise improves weight loss, especially when combined with dieting. It is also one of the main ways of maintaining weight loss. Besides, exercise has many benefits while reducing your chances of developing some diseases. Exercise increases your metabolic rate and helps the body to burn fat. It also improves your flexibility and mobility. 15 minutes of moderate exercise can result in about 100 calories being burned off. Now, imagine how many calories will be burned within 30 to 60 minutes of intense workout. Most people think exercise is only carried out in the gym. However, simply engaging in different physical activities like hiking, rock climbing, and hiking is an effective way of losing weight. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine is a sure way of losing weight and maintaining weight loss. Scientists have linked obesity to many diseases that are rampant in our world today. It doesn't help that a lot of our diet comprises processed food, which is dangerous to our health. If you strictly follow the guidelines in this video, then you would witness outstanding results after 30 days. You don't need to go through a strict dieting routine that ends up being effective after a while. With this, we are at the end of our video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this in the future. And click that bell icon to get a notification for our upcoming videos. Lace up your boot and start exercising and deal with the belly fat. Thanks for watching.